Welcome to my math class. I am Mohammed Ali, mathematics teacher. Today we try to solve one question from Cambridge IGCSE, Additional Mathematics, Paper 2, 0606, Variant 22, May-June 2022, question number 8. Question number 8a, the function f is defined by fx equals to 3 sin square x minus 2 cos x for x greater than equals to 2 and less than equals to 4, where x is in radians. A, find the x coordinates of the stationary point. X coordinates of the stationary point on the curve y equals to fx. One thing we know that in stationary point, dy by dx is 0. That means no slope. Gradient is equals to 0. If we want to find out the x coordinate of the stationary point, at first we have to do the differentiation of this and write differentiation value equals to 0. Now see how can we do this maths? At first we can write fx equals to 3 sine square x minus 2 cos x. So first differentiation, that means f prime x equals to 3. So this 2 come first, 2 sine 2 minus 1, that is 1 x into, when you differentiate sine x, it will be cos x minus 2. Cos x differentiation with respect to x, it will be minus sine x. So we'll write here 6 sine x cos x plus 2 sine x. Now, for a stationary point, dy by dx, that means f prime x, first derivative equals to 0. F prime x equals to 0 for stationary point. Stationary point. Because this is the stationary point, and that one is the stationary point. Here is no slope. That's why the first differentiation equals to 0. So you can write here 6 sine x cos x plus 2 sine x equals to 0. Now take 2 sine x common or sine x common. Sine x, so it will be 6 cos x plus 2 equals to 0. Therefore, sine x equals to 0. So sine x, when you sketch the sine graph, zeros, it is pi by 2 is 1, pi is 0, 3 pi by 2 equals to minus 1, and 2 pi equals to again 0. One thing we have to remember, our interval, x value interval will be 2 to 4. So x equals to sine inverse 0, it will be pi. So this value lies between this interval, so we have to take this value. But, or, if you write here, 6 cos x plus 2 equals to 0, that means cos x equals to minus 2 by 6, that means minus 1 by 3. So x equals to minus cos inverse 1 by 3, so it will be minus 1.23. So cos x is negative in the first, second quadrant and third quadrant. If we want to search second quadrant result, we'll get pi minus 1.23. It will be 1.91. And if you want the result in the third quadrant, we have to write pi plus 1.23. So it will be 4.37. But we have to reject both of these results because both of these results is not included in this interval. So reject these two values. we have to reject these two values, reject. So our result for A, x coordinate only x equals to 5. This is the solution. So A number answer is completed. Function f is defined by fx equals to 3 sin square x minus 2 cos x for x greater than equals to 2 less than equals to 4, where x is in radians. Number B, solve the equation fx equals to 1 minus 3 cos x. So we have to write, first we have to write fx equals to 1 minus 3 cos x. So fx value is here, 3 sin square x minus 2 cos x equals to 1 minus 3 cos x. So 3 sin square, instead of sin square, we can write 1 minus cos square x minus 2 cos x. When right side term, we write in the left side, it will be plus 3 cos x minus 1 equals to 0. Now simplify. 3 minus 3 cos square x plus cos x minus 1 equals to 0. Now minus 3 cos square x plus cos x plus 2. If we multiply by minus, we'll get here 3 cos square x minus cos x minus 2 equals to 0. Now we have to do the factorization. So 3 cos square x minus 3 cos x plus 2 cos x minus 2 equals to 0. Take 3 cos x common. It will be cos x minus 1. Take 2 common. Cos x minus 1 equals to 0. So cos x minus 1 and 3 cos x plus 2 equals to 0. Therefore, cos x minus 1 equals to 0. So x equals to cos inverse 1, that means x equals to 0. So we have to reject x equals to 0 because it is outside of this interval. So reject x equals to 0. But from here, 3 cos x plus 2, that means when it's going the right side, it will be minus 2. Cos x equals to minus 2 by 3. X equals to minus cos inverse 2 by 3. So it will be minus 0.841. Cos is negative in the second quadrant and third quadrant. So x equals to pi minus 0.841. We'll get here 2.30. For third quadrant, x equals to pi plus 0.841. We will get here 3.983. So both of these results are inside this interval. This interval 2 to 4. So we have to take this result. So only solution is, therefore solution, our answer is x equals to 2.30 and 3.983. So both of this result, but x equals to 0 will reject. So I think everybody understands this means this is very simple differentiation formula and differentiation of trigonometric term, and also factorization and trigonometric factorization. And always you have to keep in mind, must follow the interval. Okay, outside of this interval, you don't take this result, and all this result you write in the radian, not in degree. You also focus on this information. Thank you everybody for watching. Thank you all.